Hi, this is Chris from Cardoza Fencing, and today I just want to show a little demonstration on this Harbor Freight Titanium Series welder that I got. It's a flux core welder. It could be plugged into 110. It works really good. What we're doing is we're building a security fence out of expanded metal, and I have my heat set right around D and wire speed right around 7, you know. And what we're going to do is I'll show you a little bit how it runs. I think it works pretty good for the price. It's really light. So here, let's throw down a couple tacks and show you how it rolls. Another one. One more. Oh, and there we have it. Little Harbor Freight Titanium Series machine. It's pretty good. Check it out.